It's currently raining right now, and there's this massive sunflower right in the middle of the rain. It's absolutely wild. I mean, it's massive. I mean, sadly, a few of these have kind of fallen down, but I mean, look at this one. It's like, I mean, the fence is like this big. It's pretty big. There, that's our compost bin. There's some other plants and stuff kind of behind there. The wind is blowing all these things. We got some freaking we got some like metal weights down there, but they're not doing crap to these blinds or tape things, because they're like being swept by the wind and stuff. But wow, look at that. Isn't that cool? But yeah, I mean, this dude, he's just waving. He's massive. I didn't think that sunflowers could even get that big. But he's just waving in the wind. Look at him. Absolutely freaking insane. Like, damn. I didn't even think sunflowers could get that big. I mean, how tall is that? What is it, like? At least over 6 feet tall. Probably like 10? No, higher than 10. 12? 13? 13 feet? You're 13. Are you 13? 13 feet. You're tall. Christ. Man, I always think it's crazy how, like, these sorts of plants just wave around in the wind like this. Crazy. Plants, 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 plants. That one's cool. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. It is cool. Alright, back to sunflower. Christ, what am I doing? Alright. That is it. Goodbye.